Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Mike's World. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the WALI monitor stand riser. Now the purpose of this was I have a mess that you can see here on my desk. I have a monitor, I have an Xbox that my 6-year-old plays, I have a VCR, and I just wanted to add some more space, so I ordered this monitor stand riser, hopefully to be able to put one underneath the other or raise up the monitor, put the Xbox under there, just to give me clear up, add a little bit more space. So I bought this on Amazon. I paid for it myself. This was not provided for free. So I have not opened it. I have absolutely no idea what to expect. All I know is it comes in a pretty flat box and it's supposed to rise up. So there is going to be some kind of assembly required. So let's get started unboxing this and let's see what's in store for us with this monitor stand riser, and let's see if it's going to work for what I want it to work for, and then I'll give you my full review. Even if it's not big enough for what I want, I'll let you know if it's worth buying. You can see for yourself how it looks on my desk, and you guys can decide for yourself if this is what you want. So let's go ahead and unbox this and get it put together. So first thing you're going to see, it's taped up pretty well along the box. It's pretty flat box. There are some instructions on the back, just kind of gives you an idea, but installation instructions. So it looks like we have to screw the feet on, and it looks like I might need a screwdriver to do this. So let's open it up and see what is inside. So I got a little, it's like a mini flathead screwdriver because I didn't go get a knife. So we'll just click it right along through here. I believe it is, yep, it's taped up under here. Let's throw that in there. Put that across. It's going to open right up like this. The rest of the tape. It would have been easier if I had a knife or a pair of scissors, but we will go with what we got. This tape stuck there, tape stuck there. I'm just going to open this up, and immediately what I see is I got a little bag here with those are little, it's hard to see, these look like rubber feet for the legs. We have a baggie of 4 legs, so let's go ahead and take those out. We're going to need to sit those out. A couple little cardboard tabs for protection. And it looks like, take this out, and we have, that's pretty heavy duty metal right there. That is very, very well constructed. I'm going to get the box out of the way. Now, the back of the box mentioned a screwdriver, but I don't see a need. These are just studded screws, which look like they're built in, welded in there. So I'm guessing if we look here, there's threaded right there, and then the flat here, and this looks like an indentation where those rubber feet will go. And then it looks like click, you can adjust the height. I didn't know that. So you can adjust the height of this thing once you get it together. So that's pretty interesting. I didn't know it was adjustable. Did not know that. So what I'm going to do first, before we start putting this together, is I'm going to put the little rubber feet on it, because I think that I just think it's probably easier to do before you, and I can't get that open, so I'm just going to rip it. Because you guys don't want to sit here and see me fumbling around with a baggie. So let's flip this over. These should be peel and stick. This is the first one. The rubber feet, so right like such. And we're just going to do each one real quickly. Go goes pretty quickly. So just bear with me. That one there. We have this one here. Take that, put that off to the side. So really quickly, this is very durable, heavy metal. I mean, it's not overly heavy, but you can tell when you pick it up, like this thing is made from quality metal. You know, I love the matte black, has the WALI signature there. So let's go ahead and screw these on real quick. Also, really quickly, the threading in there, that's all plastic. There's no metal in there. So while everything else on this end is very well constructed, you're going to have to be careful. Obviously, I'm going to have to be careful with this. You can't over tighten or you're going to strip these out and then you're going to be out of luck. So I don't want to put these on too tight. We just want to like hand tighten them on there. And once I start feeling like it's tight, I want to stop. Obviously want to get it all the way on there, but do not over tighten. And that's getting pretty tight. So that's good. And again, everything with the weight sitting on it, I mean, there's no reason to really, this isn't going to be used in anything where you have to worry about the legs coming off. So you don't have to tighten these too much. Nice and snug. That's all we want. Nice and snug. There they are. And so now, here it is. It's quickly put together. You can see, and then we can adjust the height. But that is your monitor stand. It's pretty nice. You put some weight on there. It's going to hold whatever you need. So let's get this in place, and let's see if it's going to work for what I want it for, to be able to create some more space on my desk. So let's see if it works. All right, again, so I apologize for the mess, but here's my VHS VCR. There is an Xbox, and we have a monitor here. And what we want to do is just create some extra space. So I'm going to go ahead and set it in there and show you what it looks like after I've got it set up. So I played around with it a little bit, and ultimately the configuration that worked best for me is using it as a monitor stand and then putting the Xbox underneath the stand. It works perfectly for what I want it for. So the Xbox fits perfectly under there. It was not quite wide enough to put over top of the VHS player. Now, I get it. Nobody has VCRs anymore, VHS players. But I'm a video guy, and I'm always converting home videos or doing something. And so I do have a need to use it quite a bit. A DVD player would fit under there or anything else, but it just didn't quite fit under the VCR. So I put the Xbox there. I could have put the Xbox and the VCR on top of the stand. Either way, it works perfectly for what I wanted it for. I'm very happy with it, and I'm going to use it a lot. And actually, I'm probably going to buy even another one. And I may put another one like over here and put the VCR up on the second stand. And that gives me even more space underneath for items and things like that. But creates extra little bit of space. And then you can see I have a little bit of extra space to use that I didn't have before. So overall, very happy with it. All right, guys, so that's my review of the WALI monitor stand riser. I like it, I really do. Like I said, I paid for it myself, so it wasn't something that was provided to me. I'm probably going to buy another one. I think they're made very well, very sturdy. You have to be a little bit careful when you're putting on those legs on, you don't over tighten, but it is adjustable in height, and I can see all kinds of different uses for something like that. So I definitely would highly recommend it. Hey guys, if you're watching on YouTube, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment. And always, you can buy this in the link in the description on the YouTube channel. If you're watching on Amazon, I hope this has helped you make an informed decision in your shopping. Hey guys, thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.